when it records. Right, what's going on, guys? It's Tyler. Welcome back to another video of SEO. That's a carry away. Today we are back with loudsphinx. And for today's video, we're gonna do some train spotting at Benton. Yeah, we might do a few train spotting at different stations. Yeah. Oh, there's an express already here.
First class is located at the front of the train.
Over this way. Yeah, over this way. I am at platform 7. There we go, our first train of the day.
First train was on to Mason City. Right, this is 1T16801.
Platform 11 for the 1713 Stepford Connect.
Yep,
Service
and
to
look at that, we've got
Stepford
a Connect service coming
Calling
in.
at Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Oh, look at that. Classic A1. Yeah, but if you guys, if you want to see part 2 of, if you guys want to see part 2 of the train spotting, be sure to smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell for more.
Smash it, people.
This train is leaving.
Platform 4 for the 1715 Stepford Connect. Service to Leighton City. Calling at Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton
And there's another one coming in.
Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road,
platform
and
3, I think.
Leighton City. This train is formed of 5
No,
coaches.
it can connect, it might be 4.
Your attention, please.
It could be platform.
The 1722 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
This is 707
016.
016 off to Mason City from Stepford Victoria.
Your attention, please.
Yeah.
The 1701 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Airport Central has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Off it goes.
Your attention, please. The 1716 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
1717 terminating off last 2 minutes. Leighton City. Why are you at Leighton City?
Wait, you're in the game. You're not in our server.
Yeah.
Oh, he removed me. That's why. You blocked. No, you blocked me. I can't send you a friend request. You gotta send me a friend request.
Yeah, I sent you it, but did you see it or not?
No, it never came through.
Yo, shit, I'm train surfing.
I give me a second, guys. I'm gonna try and figure this out.
I don't even know what you're on history. That might help. Right, would you train surfing on a train for actual game? Back onto Roblox. But you know, on the actual game, where it has the little Roblox sign on your taskbar. Yeah, click on that.
That's in the actual game.
Yeah, I know. That's what you need to do. Then scroll down. Find Chris.
Yeah, I did it before and it didn't work.
He's not on the server anymore. No, I'm joining back because I uploaded.
Let me see if it works.
You mean to unblock him, maybe?
No, he needs to unblock me. You haven't.
Platform 4 for the 1718
Platform 4.
Stepford Connect. Service to
Oh, it's right there.
Stepford Airport Central. Calling at Benton Bridge,
Yeah, I said it was
Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport Central.
7. Yes, yes.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Yes, indeed. Hey, platform 4 with 4 coaches. What a coincidence. We're the bacon drivers. It's a bacon. It's a bacon who's driving. Hey guys. Yeah. Hey guys, we may be doing a little bit of driving in this video as well. Like,
That's just unlucky. I'm gonna go.
oh, that's bad luck.
It is very bad.
And there's another train coming in as well. See ya. Now Chris. You still blocked me. Yeah, maybe. And
The
there goes
train now
the
approaching platform 2 terminates here. This train
yeah,
is the
there goes the
service
train
from
to Airport
Greenslade.
Central. Another waterline pulling into the station now. Platform 3. It is a 2-car train class 195052. Going to, oh, this is where it terminates.
The train now standing at platform 2 is the 1720 Waterline service to Greenslade. Calling at Port Benton, Morganstown Docks, Whitney Green and Greenslade. This train is formed of 2 coaches.
Me rocking it.
Platform 4
Oh wait, I'm
for the
tall.
1720
I didn't realise how
Stepford
tall I was in
Connect
this game.
service to West Wyvern. Calling at Benton Bridge,
But yeah, if you guys
Hampton
wanna
Hargate,
go check
Upper
out,
Steplow, Wharton
no,
Newton, Rocket
if you guys wanna
Parade,
join,
Leighton,
do some
Stepford
videos with me,
Road, Leighton City,
um,
Edgemead,
just
Faymere,
add my Roblox
Wester
username,
Coast, Millcastle Racecourse,
and that'll work.
Millcastle, and
I also
West
hear another train
Wyvern.
somewhere.
This train is formed of
It's
4
another
coaches.
class 357. Class 195052, now departing from Benton. And off it goes down
Your
there.
attention, please. The 1723
And there
Stepford
goes the
Connect service to
oh,
Benton has been cancelled.
okay. There goes
This is
that
due
the one
to
as
a
well.
member
And
of the
now
train crew being unavailable.
we wait. When is the next train? Let me go have a little look. Yeah, next train, the next express train is at 5:23. Another express train going to Lynn by the Sea, 5:24. Another one, 5:27. An express to Benton, 5:27. Express to Stepford Victoria at 5:30. Okay. So we gotta wait for 3 minutes before we get the next train, guys. Yep, I'm making a video as well. Okay. And if we don't get any more trains right now. Okay. If we don't get any more trains now, guys, I'll do the video again. I'll do another video again in a bit. Maybe. Let's have a look. Accept. Yay! Yay! Yeah, you know what we thought was gonna happen after? Oh yeah, guys, also Chris did a mad prank on me and think, and he got us hard.
Your attention, please. The 1729 Stepford Connect
Yeah, we're not gonna
service to
explain what happened.
Stepford,
We're just gonna say he got
Victoria
us really
has
hard.
been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Yeah, I'm not convinced this joke either. Wait, oh my god, I jumped flat, I jumped, I'm jumping platforms right now.
From platform to platform.
Yeah. Not illegal in my. Oh.
If you climb onto a train, it technically means you're straight turning. I did
Wait.
that in the game earlier.
Yeah. Well, the train that's not coming anymore, guys. There's none coming
Platform
over here.
4 for
Platform
the
4.
1723 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Benton Bridge,
There we
Hampton
go. We got
Hargate,
another connection.
Waternewton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road, Leighton
Yep.
City,
We got a
Edgemead,
clash.
Famere,
717
Westercoast,
019.
Millcastle, West Wyvern, Starry
Going
Lock,
to Lynn by the Sea.
North Shore, and
I didn't know
Lynn
connection
by the
service
Sea.
also goes to Lynn by the Sea.
This train is formed of 6 coaches.
Okay. This will be the last train for this video. It's only a 12-minute long video. I'll do a longer one in a bit. Do more train spotting and some train driving as well. Now we watch this clash 701019 departs from Benton. Benton. Oh, okay. Another train came in. That's so lucky. And off it goes.
Platform 3 for the 1720 Waterline
This.
service to Newry. Calling at West Benton, Faraday
A
Road,
casual life of
Eden
me
Quay,
when I want to do train
and
spotting.
Newry. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
I'll also do platform or
Your attention, please. The
I'll do a train spotting video.
26
Yeah. And the train actually stopped all the way over here this time. Oh, you kidding me? Lucky join.
You just see me up there, can't you? Can't be a big jump, bro. I'm probably. Wait. How to bomb the train line? That easy.
Oh, there you are. And there goes the train. The last train will be train spotting today. If you guys want part 2 of this, don't forget, smash the like button. Me casual. Chris, look at me. Oh no! I fell onto the tracks. I didn't jump in time. Yeah, if you guys want to make sure smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and I'll make sure I get more videos. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Until next video, peace out.